Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Cooking Fantastic. We're on the North Yorkshire Moors tonight. I'm out with the oldest friend for an impromptu car camp. We have got a full moon over there in the distance, and I'm not quite sure whether that's a good thing. We've all seen that film, right? Anyway, in tonight's exciting installment of Cooking Fantastic, we are having parsnips. Something a bit different. In here, I've got a pork shoulder steak marinated with some Worcestershire sauce, some chilli and some pepper, button mushrooms, new potatoes. These have been boiled, so they're a little bit soft, so they'll fry off nicely. And then there is some onion. Bit different tonight. Let's get cooking. I meant to bring some better oil for doing this and completely forgot. I thought I'd packed it, but I haven't. So we'll use a bit of that. A little bit blustery here. Should be alright though. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the pork steak in first with the potatoes. And we'll just leave that to cook for a little while. Let's have a look and see how it's doing. Oh, that's looking alright. Cooking off nicely. Move them around a little bit. Yeah. Right, I flipped that pork steak over and I've just been flipping the spuds around a little bit because they're cooking really nicely now. And I want to kind of get them even. I don't want to flip the pan tonight, I'm just using this top bit as a lid. So I've just been flipping these round to make sure they get nice and evenly cooked and browned. But I think it's time to chuck on the mushrooms and get them in, get them cooking on. Let's chuck them all in, eh? Let's do it. They should soften up nicely in there. Smells amazing. I wish we had smelly vision. Alright, it's time for another look. Oh, that's looking alright. Softening up nicely. Let's just give that. Oh, chucking onions everywhere. Oh, I nearly lost the pan again. Nearly had a Wales incident. Oh dear. Oh dear indeed. No. I don't mind losing a bit of food, but I don't want to do a whole tip. Oh, it smells amazing, like I say. Let's get that flipped over again. Oh, look at that. That's looking good. I have to say, I am really enjoying using this large Ridgemonkey pan. I'm just finding it so versatile. Good stuff. Right, I've got a bit more light on proceedings now. Hey, how's that, eh? I think it's going to be time now to get the mushrooms in. That wind's picking up again. Let's get them thrown in. Everything back in that fell out. There's one fell out. There we go. Let's get those in. Right, let's have a look. Oh, that looking good or what, eh? Oh, yeah. Let's just flip that steak again, I think. Pork shoulder steak. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. A few more minutes and we'd be good to go here. Oh. Yeah, I think that's good. That looks really nice. Oh, yeah. Let's get that on the plate. There we go. What do you reckon, eh? Not bad. Let's get a bit of a Worcestershire sauce on that. Just add a little bit. Oh, yeah.
That sounds well wrong.
Oldest friend reckons that sounds proper wrong. You might be right. Let's give this a taste test. Oh, this is really nice. That Worcester sauce really makes it.
You notice people never actually turn around and say, do you know what, this actually tastes like crap. It's always nice, isn't it?
That pork, I think you can see that. I'm in a bit of bad light here. Light, we've lost light since I started cooking this. But the pork, really tender. Taking me about 45 minutes to an hour to do this, but worthwhile. Anyway, you know what to do if you like what I'm doing, all that stuff. Like, subscribe, smash the bells, all those kind of things. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.